Hello! Welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? How are you? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will listen to a story about Pup and Panda. Let's go. Pup and Panda. What's the weather? Written and illustrated by Susan Grootsmacher. Hi, Pup. Hi, Panda. How are you? I'm happy. How are you? I'm surprised. Panda, what's the weather? It's cold. Brrr. Pup, what's the weather? It's hot. What's the weather? Cold, hot. It's Thanks for listening to the story. What's the weather? Go live or send an audio or video PM. I'd love to hear your English and help you. See you tomorrow.